Today I'm installing some light bulbs, and these are going to be direct wired ballast bypass. Let's jump right in. Remove this cover by pinching in and getting that metal over the lip. Here's our incoming voltage. We want to make sure that voltage is not present. Good to go. Now I just want to separate these wires. You don't have to do this, but I'm removing the old ballast. Trim back our wires. So here's our hot coming in, hot voltage, neutral wire. This wire goes to both tombstones, and then these two wires go to both tombstones on this side. So I'm gonna take these tombstones and put it to this line coming in, and this neutral to this line coming in. Twist the wire nut onto the wires till the wires start twisting themselves. And now we just put the cover back on. This is a 2-bulb application. You're gonna see an L and then an N for line and neutral. When you put these bulbs in, it doesn't matter which way you do it, but it does matter that these are lined up. So just put these bulbs in the same way to where L is on one side and neutral is on the other side, if that makes sense. You could flip these bulbs and they would work, but you do want the L lined up on both bulbs.